We are going to do a new chapter today, that is plants around us. We haven't started this chapter as yet, so let us do this. Page 30 of your science book, children. Plants around us. Now pick up your pencil. Pick up your pencil. There are two pictures made over here, children. There are two pictures made on this page, and दोनों में there are 5 differences. दोनों pictures देखने में एक से लग रही हैं, but there are 5 differences in this picture, in these pictures. So आप अपनी पेंसिल उठाइए और पेंसिल उठा के वो जो 5 differences हैं उनको सर्कल कर दीजिए. नीचे वाली पिक्चर में 5 differences को सर्कल करिए. I am giving you 2 minutes and then we will talk about this later on. Right? We'll talk about this later on. Someone's mic is switched on. Please switch it off. Someone's mic is switched on. Please switch it off.
The page number
30. ओके, अगर आपको डिफरेंसेस मिल गए हों तो पुट योर पेंसिल डाउन.
मैम मुझे 5 डिफरेंसेस मिल गए.
ओके, ये इसकी पिक्चर मैं बाद में मंगाऊंगी. ओके, आई विल आस्क फॉर दिस इमेज आफ्टर द क्लास इज ओवर. आई विल आस्क फॉर दिस इमेज. Okay, there are the differences are in the banana, in the orange. Okay, and on lecture. Where do we get fruits and vegetables from? We all know that we get fruits and vegetables from plants. हमको पेड़ों से plants और vegetables, fruits और vegetables मिलते हैं. ठीक है? Now plants are living things. Plants जो हैं children, they are, हम लोग ने अभी living और non living thing में पढ़ा था ना. Even plants are living things. They breathe and grow. Plants जो हैं, पेड़ पौधे जो हैं, वो सांस लेते हैं, बड़े होते हैं, हम लोग की तरह वो भी बड़े होते हैं. छोटी सी सीड से पूरा एक पेड़ तैयार हो जाता है. That means they have life. तभी तो मना करते हैं ना, पत्ती मत तोड़ो, पेड़ को मारो मत, उसको तकलीफ हो रही होगी, उसको दुख हो रहा होगा. दैट इज़ वाई वी से कि प्लांट्स को डिस्टर्ब मत करो. प्लांट्स ऑल्सो नीड फूड. ना प्लांट्स को ज़िंदा रहने के लिए, बड़ा होने के लिए उनको भी फूड चाहिए. तो उनको फूड में क्या दाल सब्ज़ी रोटी चाहिए? नो. प्लांट्स का फूड जो है वो उनको सॉइल से, ज़मीन से मिलता है, और वाटर उनको रेन से मिलता है. जहाँ रेन नहीं जब हो रहा होता है तो हम लोग अपने प्लांट्स में, पौधों में पानी डाल के उनको बड़ा करते हैं. दे यूजली ग्रो फ्रॉम सीड्स. प्लांट्स जो हैं वो सीड से, बीज से उगते हैं. ज़्यादातर प्लांट्स जो हैं वो बीज से उगते हैं. मैंगो, गुआवा, एप्पल, लेडी फिंगर, ब्रिंजल, all these things they Can you hear me? Children, am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Those who can hear me,
Yes,
very good. Those who
ma'am.
can't, okay. There are many different kinds of plants. Now जैसे हम लोग सब एक जैसे नहीं हैं, सबका शक्ल सूरत सब कुछ अलग अलग है, वैसे ही सारे प्लांट्स डिफरेंट होते हैं. Now let us see किस टाइप के प्लांट्स होते हैं. Let us see what types of plants are there. Some plants are big, while some plants are small. Now we all know, as I said just now, कि सारे plants okay, सारे plants एक जैसे नहीं होते हैं. We had lost connection, children. That is why I stopped. You haven't missed out anything. All plants are different. Now कुछ बड़े हैं, कुछ छोटे हैं. Some plants grow on land and some plants
Arifa.
Some plants, they, most of the plants, not some, most of the plants grow on land, but there are some plants that grow in water. As we move ahead, we will learn about these plants, some that grow in water. Some plants grow vertical but need support. Let us read more about them. कुछ plants हैं वो उनको बड़े होने के लिए, उनको ग्रो करने के लिए सपोर्ट यानी सहारे की ज़रूरत होती है. Now we will gradually read about these kinds of plants, all these kinds of plants that we spoke about just now. Big plants. Now some plants are tall and strong. ज़्यादातर trees जो हैं they are big, they are very big and they are very strong. उनका जो तना होता है वो बहुत बड़ा सा होता है. Who is joining with the ID of Kartik Agarwal?
बस कट कट के आई है. मैम आपकी वाली कट कट के आ रही है. मैम
I know, children, even your voice is coming like that. Who has joined with the ID of Kartik Agarwal? You've left? Okay, I think the person is not there. The child is not there. Now can you hear me?
मैम लग गया लबे का गया बाल.
Where is Lavik Agarwal? Lavik, show me your face, please. But you've already been marked absent, child. Last class में coming for 10 minutes is not good. Okay, so tall, big and strong plants are called trees. As I was telling you, the tall and big plants जो बहुत strong होते हैं, जिनको आंधी तूफान कुछ गिरा नहीं सकता है, these plants are known as trees. Orange tree, coconut tree and neem trees are some big plants. Now orange tree तो I don't know अगर तुम लोगों ने देखा है कि नहीं देखा है. I don't know whether you've seen an orange tree. But coconut tree and neem tree, I think every one of you must have seen a coconut tree and a neem tree.
मैम आई बघेल coconut tree and orange tree.
So Look at the picture of the orange tree that is shown over here. And coconut tree or a date tree, ये जो बहुत बड़ा सा होता है, it's huge, long, and then top पे जाके leaves होती है. Right. Now children, we'll stop here because
Yes.
थोड़ा थोड़ा करके पढ़ेंगे. Now let us see. Come back to page 30. Come back to page 30 and click the picture and send me the picture just now. I want to see how many. I'm giving you just 1 minute. After that, I'm going to close the group. Quickly click the picture and send me. And also, where do we get fruits and vegetables from? Iska answer. Write the answer quickly and send me the picture. Fast, fast. Be very quick, children. Very good, Arsalan. Very good.
Thank
Good, Shayan. Very good. अक्षर सर्कल करने को कहा है बेटा. Circle and then send. Yes, Suknoor, good. Mara Tandon. Picture में difference to circle करो. Circle the difference that is seen in the picture. And then send बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
देवांश तुमने तो सभी सर्कल कर दिए. I want only 5 differences. Okay. Yes, Achin, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Veronica, 1, 2,
Thank you,
3, 4,
ma'am.
5. Yes, good. Veronica, good. Advait, good. Yes, Devansh. Yes, Ekagr. Ekagr, where do we get the plants from? Where do we get vegetables and fruits from? उसका आंसर तुमने नहीं लिखा है. You have not written the answer. Akshita Yadav. Yes, we get the plants, fruits and vegetables from the market, but we get them from plants. Please change your answer. That is plants. Yes, Havira, correct answers. But yes, Havira, good. Vidushi, you have to circle in the second picture. So please फिर से करो, do it again and send it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Saida, yes, good. Nishkarth, you haven't circled the differences in the pictures. पहले circle करो and then send it to me. Arna, correct the spelling of plants, beta. और फर्स्ट वाली पिक्चर में सर्कल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Yes, Mahira? Correct. Ayansh Rastogi, please write the answer to the question, where do we get fruits and vegetables from? Hashvi, you have not circled the differences in the pictures. So please circle it. Akshat, yes, correct. Yes, Myra, correct. Yes, Sanskar, correct. Yes, Ekad. Yasir, the answer to the question, where do we get fruits and vegetables from? Please write the answer to that question. Yes, Akshay Gupta. Okay, plants, good. Akshita Yadav, correct answer. Yes, Vidushi. Yes, Yasir, correct. Yatharth, correct, but write plants, Plants. Anyone else who has to send the work?
Done.
Tasmia, you sent better? Lavik, if you are there, please send your work.
Yes, ma'am.
Who? I think connection is, yes, you all are there. Everyone has sent? Tasmia, I'm waiting for your work, beta. Laiba, yes. Yes, Laiba. Correct. Payal Verma would be, yes, this Adya Verma. Okay. Yes, Adya. Correct. I think all of you have sent the work now, children. Your classes for today are over. Take care, children. Stay good. Stay blessed. Bye bye, children.